Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to summarize numeric data using some cool tools: mean, median, range, and interquartile range, all things that help us understand data better. Let's get started. Before we jump into examples, let's quickly define the terms we'll talk about today. Mean. The mean is simply the average of a set of numbers. You find it by adding all the numbers together and dividing by how many numbers there are. Median. The median is the middle number when the data is arranged in order from smallest to largest. If there's an even number of values, we find the average of the two middle numbers. Range. The range tells us how spread out the data is. It's the difference between the largest and smallest values. Interquartile range, also known as IQR. The IQR looks at the spread of the middle 50% of the data, ignoring the highest and lowest values. It's the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. Now, let's look at our first example with a simple list of numbers: 12, 15, 20, 25, and 30. We'll calculate the mean, median, range, and IQR. Mean. To find the mean, we add all the numbers together. 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 equals 102. Now divide by how many numbers we have, which is 5. So the mean is 102 divided by 5 equals 20 and 4/10. Median. Next, we find the median. We need to first order the numbers from least to greatest. When we do this, we see that the middle number is 20. So the median is 20. Range. For the range, we subtract the smallest number, 12, from the largest, 30. So 30 minus 12 equals 18. IQR. To find the IQR, we first split the data into two halves, and because we have an odd set of numbers, we leave the median all by itself in the middle. The lower half, the data to the left of the median, 12 and 15. The upper half, the data to the right of the median, 25 and 30. Next, we find the median of each half. The median of the lower half, 12 and 15, is 13 and 5/10. We find this by adding 12 and 15, then dividing by 2. The median of the upper half, 25 and 30, is 27 and 5/10. Similarly, we add 25 and 30, then divide by 2. So, the IQR is 27.5 minus 13.5 equals 14. Next, let's work with a table of student scores: 80, 85, 90, 75, 95, and 70. We'll follow the same process, calculating the mean, median, range, and IQR. Mean. First, let's add up all the scores. 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 95 plus 70 equals 495. There are 6 scores, so the mean is 495 divided by 6 equals 82 and 5/10. Median. To find the median, we first need to put the scores in order: 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Since there are 6 scores, the middle numbers are 80 and 85. The median is the average of those two. 80 plus 85 divided by 2 equals 82 and 5/10. Range. Now, for the range, we subtract the smallest score, 70, from the largest, 95. So, 95 minus 70 equals 25. IQR. To find the IQR, we split the data into two halves. Lower half, 70, 75, 80. Upper half, 85, 90, 95. The median of the lower half is 75. The median of the upper half is 90. So, the IQR is 90 minus 75 equals 15. So remember, the mean is the average. The median is the middle number. The range tells us how spread out the data is, and the IQR gives us the spread of the middle 50%. By using these tools, we can really understand the center, spread, and shape of a data set. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay fresh.